Hey, what's up? I'm Sandara. Not cool. I will show you all the plants or sani the trees or the the fruit I plant here. Fruits. Yeah. Even this is it's a og right. I'm the one who who planned that. It's maliit pa masyado. Yeah, that's an art. Maybe I'm going to get a lander to landscape that going to look beautiful, and I will lander some bulaklak. That's the plant. Okay, okay. I will run. I will run. Oh, that's maliit pa masyado na. Ah, kay Mito. No. Sani? Ah, I forgot the name of my mom. I think my mom too. It's going hard this work. Oh, maybe next time if you go here, you should use like shoes. Sani? Good shoes like an action that you can move quickly doing your work here. A dress like a worker, not pang sleeping like that. That's what's this? This is what's this? Kamito, gama kamito kanang. Oh, nagian naman ako. Oh man, I have my tunok-tunok na tunok ko brad tutski barad. 5 minutes. Oh, this is what's this? Tara, dito ta. This is Makupa. And this is Santol builder. Builder Santol, Makupa, Santol, Untol. That's it. Hey, what's up? There's guys there. Yeah, really like the guys watching us. Then he he's wondering that I'm speaking English. I don't know. I'm from Chicago, pero gikat kina. That's it. Wow, this is a plant there too. Sige, 2 minutes pa man eh. 5 minutes ang tagal man. Oh, there's a zone here. This is a skating area. A lots of skating here. This is this is a perfect plan here that they have a skating ring here in Tangid City because I love skating. I love skating too. Weaveboard like this. Ooh, weaveboard! Weave. You weave the board that you can go around. This is a santol, daghan santola, mangga dito dako na santol gamay.
Kato bang mga kuan to bulahan, mana?
Bulahan? Yeah, man na. This is marami tanim pero maliit pa. A lots of plants but it's the smallest from yeah. Oh, this area I can't video. I did not video this area again. Okay, that's my mom. I think his strength also maybe going. Yeah, I love this area because it's going nice. Oh, it's a reflections of the sun. Bad cheetah. Yeah.
Kana manana diha.
No, wala pa.
Kana istrita na kana skipping ana o makuha.
Yeah, this area. Wow, in this area, bato marami. Sakit kaya akong likod og ginaswat ana totske. No, na. Sakit akong likod og ginaswat sa bato pero I'm have strength to do this. Even this is a simple arts there. Maliit no. This is a upuan, chair, upuan in that area. Even this, even that area, and even that area. There is a chair. This is an art, and this is a skating route too. You know, I love this. I love this. Maybe I'm going to died. Oh, no, I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm not dying. Oh, this is acacia. The simple art there. Maybe soon. Lots of work to do here. Lots of work to do. This is an acacia. I'm the one who. Maybe it's 3 years. 3 years. It's biggest now. It's malaki na. Malaki na. Okay, that's it. This is the one my mom to get video and have a picture there. Table. Yeah, it's a table. I'm the one who make that good. I'm crazy. Yara kay ikat sana ako. Pero okay lang. Adjust lang. Adjust lang kana na. Dire. Okay, dire ka na imuha ba? Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.